Well, just a few kilometers away from Bihar's capital of Patna lies the town of Raghopur, one that may seem small in size and scale, but it is witnessing possibly one of the most high-profile battle in Bihar. Now the Mahagathbandhan CM face Tejasvi Yadav, who is facing the poll test, as his fate would be decided as the voters of Raghopur will be casting their vote today, and shortly we're expecting him to also come out to exercise his franchise. But the next few hours will determine whether or not Tejasvi Yadav will be in a position to stake claim for the CM's post. Now in Raghopur, the attention is mostly on the RJD leader and Lalu Prasad Yadav's son, Tejasvi Yadav, and he's contesting Raghopur for a third straight term as MLA. Will he now manage a hat-trick? And in his way stands BJP Satish Kumar, Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj party, who has fielded Chanchal Singh from the Raghopur seat. Let's connect with Arunil on this battleground, because Bihar battleground for Raghopur, it is getting intense there. Arunil, hat-trick for Tejasvi Yadav, a CM face, or shortly we are expecting him and his father, the family of Lalu Prasad Yadav, to also come out to cast their vote?
Well, Tejasvi Yadav, as well as his father, Lalu Prasad Yadav, as well as his mother, who was a former CM of Bihar, Rabri Devi, will be casting their vote in the capital city of Patna. But certainly, Raghopur is extremely significant. Tejasvi Yadav has been holding massive road shows and rallies in Raghopur, and he's been asking the people of Bihar that he needs one chance. That elections are, Amita, about stories. They are mainly about whether people want continuity or whether people want a change. But primarily, elections are about hope as well. And when we see these kind of elderly voters coming to these polling booths, it clearly showcases that democracy is alive in this country. Many such elderly voters have turned up. My video journalist Saurabh Kumar is showing you these visuals from this polling booth, where there is an impressive turnout of voters. Many elderly voters. See this elderly person, showing his voting as well. We'll try and speak to him as well. आप बताइए कि आपने जो वोट किया है, किस मुद्दे पे आपने वोट किया है, सर जी?
लालटेन पर।
आपसे बात करेंगे, किस किस मुद्दे पे आप वोट करना चाहते हो? क्या क्या जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, क्या आप उससे खुश हो? क्या आपको लगता है कुछ और होना चाहिए?
और होना चाहिए कुछ और डेवलपमेंट।
क्या होना चाहिए, सर?
सड़क यहाँ का जो है वो बहुत जर्जर है, नाला नहीं है, जल निकासी की व्यवस्था नहीं है, ठीक है, शिक्षा के मामले में भी कमी है।
आपको लगता है कि सुशासन आया है? पहले जंगल राज था, अभी सुशासन आया, ऐसा आपको लगता है?
देखिए सर, पहले तो जंगल राज था, वो तो हम लोग नहीं देखे हैं, लेकिन मेरे मतलब जो ये सब हैं कि बता रहे हैं कि है जंगल राज आए थे, लेकिन मेरे मानना है कि मतलब जिस समय लालू जी का राज था, उस समय जैसा मतलब था वो चलाए, और नीतीश जी भी बहुत अच्छे काम किए हैं, नहीं किए हैं सो नहीं, लेकिन उनसे थोड़ा यही हमसे मतलब ये है कि रोजी रोजगार जो मतलब गुजरात में लग रहा है फैक्ट्री, और वो फैक्ट्री बिहार में क्यों नहीं लग रहा है?
एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड माइग्रेशन स्टिल रिमेन्स वन ऑफ द मेन इश्यूज इन बिहार. दिस इज व्हाट द people over here are also speaking about. I'm in a rural belt of Bihar. आपसे बात करेंगे सर जी कि आपको लगता है सुशासन आया है क्या? पहले जंगल राज था, आपको क्या लगता है?
अभी तो बहुत कमजोरी है, इसमें
कमजोरी है,
बहुत कमजोरी है। नाला नुली के लिए कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग का घर में पानी भी पड़ता उठता सब है, यही कहना है और क्या कहना है।
आपको क्या लगता है सर जी? आपसे बात करेंगे, आपको क्या लगता है?
हमको सरकार चेंज करना है, ठीक ना?
At least at this polling booth, Amita, there is a kind of a mood out here. They've been wanting for a change that is clearly evident. We'll try and speak to some women voters also, because a very contrasting kind of an opinion that we are garnering from this rural booth. Not obviously the whole of rural Bihar, but at least this polling booth, wherein people have been saying that more development needs to come in the state of Bihar. We'll speak to some more women voters as well. आपसे बात करेंगे माता जी कि आपको क्या लगता है, किस किस मुद्दे पे आपको वोटिंग करना है? आपको क्या कहना है? किस किस मुद्दों पे आप वोटिंग करो? क्या महिलाओं की सुरक्षा से आप खुश हो? पहले जंगल राज था, अभी सुशासन आया है,
खुश है?
खुश है
जी।
आपको क्या लगता है?
हाँ, खुश है।
So yes, these are two women who've been saying that they are happy with the women's security that has happened at least in the 20 years of this
The contest that we're looking at fighting in the first phase of polls, Tejasvi Yadav eyeing for a hat-trick from Raghopur, a constituency that was formerly represented by his chief minister parents Lalu Prasad and Rabri Devi. He's pitted against BJP Satish Kumar, who had defeated Rabri Devi back in 2010 while contesting on a JDU ticket, as well as Jan Suraj Party's Chanchal Singh. So triangular contest, are we really looking at Rajagopalan sir? Because we are looking at entrants, debuts, prominent personalities, celebrities and big faces this time in the first phase of elections.
Amrita, Bihar is getting very, very interesting aspect because for the last 4 months or 5 months, Rahul Gandhi's intention of vote chori today has been given a tight slap on Rahul Gandhi's personality. Reason being, you saw how many voters have queued up, lined up, and they are all talking it out. And they want Vikas. They want certain amendments like to the amenities provided to them. So therefore, my conclusion is 3 parties, 4 parties are contesting is a dance of democracy. Interestingly, a political party from South, that is AAM, Asaduddin Owaisi, has come to Bihar and contesting many seats. Whether he will cut the votes of BJP or Congress, Prashant Kishore Pandey and Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi are adding up to the Bihar, dance of democracy. Especially youngsters like Mr. Chirag Paswan are also adding importance. Chirag Paswan is being groomed. Chirag Paswan himself says that he is Hanuman of Narendra Modi. What does it indicate? Youngsters in the rural areas are for development. They don't want Jungle Raj. And moreover, the way in which Mr. Tejasvi Yadav reacted to Arnil's question is also shocking. He cannot counter the journalist because Arnil and Times Now has got every right to ask question about Jungle Raj.
No, the Katta culture, the Jungle Raj, Rajagopalan sir, we have seen like personal pot shots that have been made at the Prime Minister, at his late mother. Now we are looking at a lot of jumping off ship that has also been happening. That is, a norm usually that has been seen. But even when we speak of this triangular contest, even when we speak of Prashant Kishore Party, Jan Suraj, do you believe that there has been a moment that it is also being tested? Just yesterday when one of its candidates defected to join the BJP just a day ahead of the elections, how does that play out on ground?
Prashant Kishore is trying his best. He is not a politician, though he is an image maker and like that. He provided alternate to the Jungle Raj and also to the Vikas type. He has toured the entire state of Bihar for the last 2 years. He has done a yeoman service. We cannot rule it out. Prashant Kishore Pandey has taken a vow to develop Bihar. We welcome it. Even when he spoke to Navika Kumar, your editor, group editor, he also went for Vikas. In nutshell, मुझे लगता है अमृता आज 70% वोट होना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है सैंसद में बैठ जाएगा. विकास का मुद्दा है. आज हॉट सीट्स बहुत कंटेस्ट है. प्रधानमंत्री का जो ट्वीट आया है, बाकी लोग राहुल गांधी should also provide a treat. He cannot run away. Brazilian model, Italian model, Venezuela model.
Well, we'll talk about as far as if the vote chori narrative resonates with the people on ground or not. What do they have to say? Are they keeping that issue in mind before casting their vote? Because the key battlegrounds that includes Raghopur, where Tejasvi Yadav is contesting, Mahua, where his brother Tej Pratap is testing his luck with this new political outfit, Tarapur constituency of Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary. Other high-profile seats also include Ali Nagar, where singer Maithili Thakur is contesting for the first time on a BJP ticket. Lakhisarai being represented by Deputy CM Vijay Kumar Sinha. But there has been certain reports that are now coming in from the voters.
बिल्कुल नहीं, कैसे करेंगे? अगर वो देंगी तो करेंगे, नहीं देंगी तो नहीं करेंगे. बोली है 5 मिनट रुकने को, देखते हैं क्या है.
और लोगों के पास अभी ये समस्या आ रही है.
ये पहली बार ऐसी हुई है. पिछले बार भी तो अभी हाल में दे के गए थे. बेटी मेरी पहली बार दी थी, कोई समस्या नहीं आई थी. इस बार ऐसा समस्या आ रहा है. ये तो गलत चीज है ना. बिना पर्ची का आजकल डिजिटल जमाना है. आप देख लो, ले लो. आकर आदमी को वापस जाना, ये तो सही नहीं है ना. ये तो एकदम गलत चीज है.
Well, people there, voters are expressing their disappointment over some technical glitches. Arunil, that has been reported in Digha. Also, what we are told, information that is now coming in from booth numbers 203 and 204 of the Digha Assembly constituency, where leaders from the RJD are expected to cast their vote.
Well, that is right, Amita. Basically, at present, I am also reporting from one of the constituencies that is significant. This is Mahua, from where Tej Pratap Yadav, the older brother of Tejasvi Yadav, is contesting. His political future also mainly depends upon whether he will win from this seat or no. We'll try and speak to some of the voters who have gathered here. आपसे अगर बात करेंगे सर जी, क्या आपको लगता है सुशासन आया है, पहले जंगल राज था, किन मुद्दों पे आप वोट करने वाले हो?
भाई चर्चा के दीजिए।
आप बात आप किन मुद्दों पे आप बात करोगे?
विकास के नाम पर।
विकास के नाम।
विकास
कैसे विकास हुआ है आपको लगता है?
बहुत चीज का विकास हुआ है, रोड है, बिजली है, पानी है, सब चीज।
नॉल सब कुछ है, बहुत
अच्छा हुआ है।
अच्छा हुआ है।
आपको क्या लगता है?
ठीक है, ठीक है।
क्या पहले लगता है आपको जंगल राज था, अभी सुशासन?
नहीं, अब जंगल राज खत्म है, ये बहुत अच्छा विकास हुआ है। रोड वोड देख लीजिए, नल जल पानी, गरीब आदमी के कहीं राशन पानी सब तो टाइम से मिल ही जाता है।
Well, this is a relatively rural belt. Now, this is one pocket of one section of people who have been saying that अच्छा विकास हुआ है। आपसे बात करेंगे, क्या आपको लगता है किस मुद्दों पे आप वोट करने वाले हो? आपको लगता है अच्छा विकास हुआ है? विकास का मुद्दा रहेगा?
हाँ, विकास का तरफ।
और कौन से चेंजेस ऐसे हैं जो आपको लगता है कि होने चाहिए बिहार में?
चेंज तो हाईवे करे, सब कुछ रोड बनबे किया है, सब कुछ विकास होबे किया है, राशन पानी मिलबे रखा है, वृद्धा पेंशन मिल रहा है सबको।
जो राहुल गांधी बोलते हैं कि वोट चोरी का जो मुद्दा है, क्या आपको लगता है कि बिहार की जनता उसको मानती है? ऐसा लगता है?
नहीं, वो सब झूठ है।
Well, one interesting aspect that has been noticed, Amita, is that it was the voter Adhikar Yatra that Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav did before the Bihar elections were announced. But Tejasvi Yadav hasn't really taken up that issue really well. Rahul Gandhi may have spoken about it just yesterday, a day prior pollings, and this is a very significant election, keeping in mind about the future of the Congress party in Bihar as well.
So
again, I'll reiterate.
The heavyweights as far as the first phase of elections with Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary, Vijay Kumar Sinha,